Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking iOS and iCloud storage because mismatches often block backups. Once done, force close settings and restart the device to clear transient errors. If the backup still shows pending, sign out of iCloud and sign back in. This resets cloud tokens and tells Apple servers to reevaluate your device. Make sure Wi-Fi and power are stable during these steps, and avoid toggling airplane mode unnecessarily, so the connection remains consistent for the next phase. Now you'll reduce backup scope to unblock the queue. Go into iCloud backup options and turn off bulky apps, then run a manual backup. Smaller payloads complete reliably. If storage is tight, free 1 to 2 gigabytes or upgrade your plan so the backup can finish. If uploads keep failing despite space, reset network settings to repair hidden Wi-Fi or DNS issues. That often fixes intermittent failures. Once finished, attempt a fresh manual backup and watch for progress indicators. Finish by running a final manual backup and monitoring the timestamp labeled Last Successful Backup to confirm completion. If the process stalls again, enable diagnostics via settings or use Apple support to capture detailed logs. These logs reveal server-side or account issues. If diagnostics point to device corruption and nothing else helps, back up locally to a computer, erase, and restore the device, then reattempt iCloud backup. That complete cycle resolves persistent stuck backups in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.